So if you're like me and you love sweets, but you're still trying to be on that healthy tip, I've got a really cool product for you right after this. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name healthy range. So for somebody like me who loves sweets, I've been exercising every day since I got this Apple Watch. Sidebar, if you haven't gotten an Apple Watch or some sort of like tracker for your activity for the day, please do so because it has helped me tremendously. But I still like sometimes crave sweets. And so this has been a fantastic replacement for sugar. So anything chocolatey, especially when my cycle is gonna come, I start to crave chocolate. So making hot chocolate with this was delicious. So the first time that I made the hot chocolate, is very easy to make. It's literally just your water and your milk. You dump the powder in, and then I added a little bit of cream and like a tablespoon of honey, and it was like perfect. I did overflow the mug. I filled it up too high, but that's okay. I just wiped up the mess, and you better believe that I still enjoyed that cup. And so since then, I figured out kind of like the right increments. You know, I'm greedy, so I doubled the recipe the first time. If I would have just followed the instructions, I probably would have been okay. But nonetheless, it tasted so good. So now I make that drink like 3 times a week. Usually in the evening when I'm just trying to chill, I want to watch my show or whatever the case. But it's something that's really good and it's delectable. It's a guilty pleasure without the guilt. Let me show you what else is in the box. So along with the cacao powder, you also get this gorgeous mug, which is so pretty. I love the texture and everything in here. It's like smooth around here, but this is like textured and kind of rough. And then of course it's got the Earth Echo on the bottom. So that's really cute. This is like, I love this mug. And then it also comes with this cookbook. So I've tried a couple of these recipes, all of which were fantastic. There are plenty of things that you could see here inside the table of contents, the type of recipes that you get. And now for me, like I'm not a vegan or gluten-free or anything like that, but the recipes, however, are using healthier ingredients. So instead of milk, it's saying to use like coconut milk or almond milk. It's saying to use coconut oil instead of like regular butter, coconut flour, almond flour. So if you are doing gluten-free, or if you're doing not keto, because keto doesn't use flour, although you probably could use like coconut flour or something. Is almond flour keto? I don't know. But in any case, you could use your dairy-free or flour alternatives. So here are some pictures. It's got some really good pictures of the different things that you can make. And of course, if you have any other recipes that require chocolate powder, cocoa powder, you can actually replace it with this Cacao Bliss product. It works the same exact way, and you're getting more health benefits. The other thing is, I will say, I don't think it personally has too strong of an aftertaste. It does have a small aftertaste, but it's like, it doesn't take away from my drink or from my dessert. It's just, it tastes different than regular chocolate powder would, but like, it doesn't bother me any. It's also not grainy. The powder dissolves wonderfully, beautifully into all the drinks that I've ever made. It's never tasted grainy before. The other thing, which was probably another favorite, is this little gadget right here. This is a frother. So what you do is you stick it inside your drink, and here, you turn it on, and it makes the wonderful, beautiful sound. It stirs your drink up. So super cool using this. So I use this to stir rather than just like trying to stir your drink. Like, that's not fun. So this makes it really cool to be able to mix your drink. It really breaks up the powder. If you don't have something like this, then obviously you could use a fork. But nonetheless, it is an amazing product. I've been using it for the last like 3 weeks, and I usually make a hot chocolate drink like 3 times a week. So it has been amazing. Overall thoughts, if you are looking for something to replace your sweets, this is going to be it for you, because it still gives you that like chocolatey flavor without it being like a complete sugar overload. Like, you don't need a Reese's or a chocolate bar. Like, you can have some nice healthy cacao powder with all the extra nutrients, and so I find that it even just gives me like a little boost, a little bit of energy, and it just makes me feel good about myself, knowing that I am putting something healthy into my body and propelling myself even that much more further along in my health journey. Another thing that I really like about this product is the fact that it boosts your immunity. We all know that in this day and age, we want to be as healthy as possible. We want our bodies and our immune systems to do what they are supposed to do. So anything that can help to enhance that, I'm gonna be all for it. So if you are interested, you can check out the link in my description box. I will put all the information for Earth Eco Foods and the cacao powder. They also have a collagen product, as well as turmeric capsules and a couple other things. So I'll put all that stuff, links in the description box for you below. Let me know if you have tried Earth Eco Foods before, or if you have any other questions. I always love hearing from you guys. Leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget, hiding is overrated, and I'll see you next time.